What's the meaning of Anthony Eden? Anthony Eden. Anthony Eden. Anthony Eden. Anthony Eden. Anthony Eden.
Anthony Eden was a British Conservative politician who served as Prime Minister from 1955 to 1957. He is best known for his failed attempt to resolve the Suez Crisis in 1956, which ultimately led to his resignation. However, Eden also oversaw significant domestic reforms during his tenure, including the introduction of free school meals and the creation of the Ministry of Housing and Local Government. Despite his mixed legacy, Eden remains an important figure in British political history, and his impact on the country continues to be studied and debated.